it is not enough that the people of Davao City would love me. Alam ko, mahal ninyo ako. Kasi nakita naman ninyo ang serbisyo. And I never stole any money. And you can dig into the records for the 22 years. Never. Wala ako niya. Why? But because I'm a fiscal. But before that, before Corazon Aquino, during Marcos's time, I was the one of the two Tanod Bayan. Yan ang ombudsman ng predecessor. I was going around Mindanao prosecuting Marble, session, kaya may nandiyan sa akin na hindi naman righteousness. Things that you prosecute people for, then do not do it. And besides, tama naman, you should live frugally. I think most of you have seen the pictures, but you should go to my house. I've been there, and kontento naman ako. All these years, kung progression lang, I could have transferred. You know, I have the money. Quite a big sum. I tell you how much? It's about 6 million, including my inheritance from my father. But that's a lifetime. Ang 3 dyan came from the estate of my father when he died. Then I got some more from my mother.